Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE, and this is another weekly tech tip. Today's tech tip is about quick links inside Zoho CRM. So we'll have a look at an example of some quick links today, and then we'll have a look at how we can create our own. Okay, so I'm in the CRM here. I'm on Peter's contact record, and if we scroll down the left-hand side, we'll see links here. So these are our quick links here. We've got a number of them. So we've got some Google ones, LinkedIn, Facebook, and some custom apps here. So what they are, we'll have a look at a basic example, which is Google contact name. So what this does, when we click on this, it opens up Google, takes us to Google, and it fills in the search field here with the contact's full name. Okay. So that's an example of what we can do with a quick link. We can send it off to another website, and then we can include any of the fields that are on our contact record here. So let's go and make one ourselves now. So if we go over to the right, we'll click on Settings, and then Modules and Fields, and then Contacts. And then across the top here, we'll click on Links and Buttons. Okay, so this is where we see our links and buttons here. So let's have a look at Google contact name. So this is the one we just used. We hover over the little cog icon here. We click on Edit. Okay, so this is what a link looks like, a quick link. We have a label. So this is the label that appears on our contact record on the left-hand side. Then a description to explain what it does. And then we have the link builder here. So the way this works is we put in the link to our website and then any merge fields which we need to add, we can put in just here. Okay, so we've got this these drop downs here to help us with the merge fields. So let's say we needed to add another one here. We just go, it's going to be a contact field, and let's add company name. See, and it just puts it in there, so I can cut and paste this and move it further into the website query if I need to. But this one, we've already got it working here with first name plus last name, and I knew that that was the sort of the URL to use because I've already gone and done a test Google search. You don't have to use these merge fields, so you can just make these quick links like direct links to another website. They don't have to include those merge fields, but it's just an extra option, to give you some more functionality. Okay, so if we cancel that, we can add a new one. There's the button there. That's exactly how we do it. Click new link and it gives you that same pop-up. And so as you can see, if we go back to our record here, so we did the same thing for LinkedIn. So you can search LinkedIn for the client's name or the company name. Likewise with Facebook, and then some custom reports there. So we've actually set up dashboards with Google Analytics, and then you can just link to them and populate the first name and last name. Okay, so I hope that gives you some ideas of what you can do with quick links. They're a great little feature inside Zoho CRM. All right, thanks for your time.